Welcome to my YouTube channel. My tutorial today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to add a local bank account to your Payoneer account. So this is my Payoneer account. The very first place you go is you come to the settings, then come to bank accounts. Once you come to bank account, you'll have an option where you'll be able to see the bank, the withdraw bank, or the recipient bank. So we'll use bank for withdraw. This is a bank that we'll be using to withdraw cash. You can see already we have one account that is already attached. So the tutorial today was how to link to add a local bank account to your PayPal account. We'll say it's personal. We say we are in Kenya, and we'll come here and say it's a USD account, and we see next, in the next details will come here and enter our bank details. We'll procedurally add a bank name, then account holder's name, just as it appears in your bank, then account name, then you'll say I confirm the bank details, and you'll be able to click. We say confirm the Payoneer account details, ensure you put your date of birth and the Payoneer password, and you'll be good to go. After we put our date of birth, we can see bank account has been added. Account approval takes up to 30 minutes. We'll email you when you can start withdrawing to this account. So at least our tutorial was successful on how to add a bank account to Payoneer account. Thank you.